Welcome to our new video. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of data-driven restaurant management. We'll be exploring the most valuable sources of actionable data and how to use them effectively to optimize your operations. We'll discuss the goldmine of information that lies in your point-of-sale system, your security system, and your scheduling software. Stay tuned as we uncover insights that can revolutionize your restaurant's operations. Running a restaurant is no easy feat, especially in today's data-driven world. Restaurant managers and operators are now expected to be data analysts, sifting through a mountain of information from various systems to optimize their operations. If this sounds like a daunting task, don't worry. We're here to guide you through the most valuable sources of actionable data and how to use it effectively. Let's start with your point-of-sale or POS system. This is the system your employees interact with most, and it's a gold mine of information. Firstly, let's talk about your financials. Sure, you're probably asking yourself the usual questions like, what are my average hourly sales? Or, how am I doing year over year? But have you ever thought about your average sales during rushes versus lulls? Or what local events might be affecting your sales? Your financial data is much more than just numbers on a spreadsheet. By asking yourself new questions, you can uncover valuable insights. Next up, your menu reports. It's crucial to know which items have sold the most consistently over the last year, which are the hot items over the last month, and what's not selling at all. You can use this data to run specials on items that should be more popular, or try a happy hour special to drive pre-dinner sales. Even a simple menu rearrangement can spotlight different items. Lastly, don't overlook your inventory reports. These are a great way to identify process improvement opportunities. From identifying employees who are under or overusing ingredients to eliminating food and item waste, always strive to understand what caused inventory discrepancies and how to prevent them in the future. Moving on to your security system, it's another great source of actionable data, especially when it comes to reducing loss. Loss can come from inventory mistakes, overuse of food, and unfortunately, employee theft. Inventory mistakes are understandable and unavoidable. However, your security system can help identify major discrepancies. For example, if an employee missed counting an entire unopened box of napkins. Overuse of food is another common issue. For instance, using 2.5 ounces of beef in a taco instead of the required 2 ounces might not seem like a big deal, but it adds up quickly. Your inventory reports can show you which items might be vulnerable to overuse, and your security system can help identify employees who could use some coaching. Employee theft is an unfortunate reality in the restaurant industry. Your security system can help reduce it by limiting the cash in your drawers, making safe drops frequently, and watching for manual adjustments. Remember, most employee theft comes from inadequate security procedures providing someone with an opportunity to take advantage. Lastly, let's talk about your scheduling software. It's not just a tool for ensuring adequate coverage for each shift. It can also provide valuable insights when used in conjunction with your other systems. Your scheduling software, paired with your sales reports, can help you identify your top-performing employees. Once you know who your best employees are, you can schedule them during the most critical shifts or use them to train your newer employees. Furthermore, your scheduling software can help you identify synergies between your employees. For instance, if Alvin and Simon work great together, schedule them together more often. But if Alvin doesn't work well with Theodore, try to avoid scheduling them together. Your scheduling software can help you assemble the strongest teams for every situation. Got a big football game next week that usually brings in a rush? Make sure your best employees are working that shift. Managing restaurant data can seem overwhelming with the ever-increasing set of tools at your disposal. But remember, some of your biggest opportunities come from your POS system, your security system, and your scheduling software. Use these tools to identify what's working and what isn't. Find process opportunities to reduce loss and optimize your workforce. Restaurant data doesn't have to be overwhelming. Use the tools at your disposal to find new insights and make game-changing decisions in your restaurant today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay informed, stay efficient, and see you in our next video.